This is QBH model AV7823 car aircon evaporate cleaning borescope. Now let's turn on the machine. First we turn on the borescope by press about 3 seconds this on-off button on the handle. You can see the indicator light green. Then turn on the monitor by press about 3 seconds the on-off button. Now we can turn on the LED by press shortly the on-off button. Now connect the air compressor and the liquid bottle. We can start spray and cleaning. Here we can see the cleaning borescope are working on the car aircon evaporator. Make the cleaning work visible. After cleaning the borescope, we can enjoy the time in the car. Cleaning borescope is a quite creative product, and the car aircon evaporate cleaning is very hot project in China and also the whole world, especially in the regions with high temperature, humid climate, and with serious environmental pollution. Cars will be smelly, bad for health, and nowadays people stay long time in cars. So this product and the project can be a long-lasting needs in market. We have now agents in some countries and we are looking for more business partners in the world. Welcome to join us.